Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone, this video is very important for you. And if you use Google application and you access multiple time in Google application for the accessing different website or web pages, and sometimes you are accessing multiple web pages like 100, 200 or 300 and you don't know how to close all the tabs in once. You can close all the tab in just only one click. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration. My iPhone screen is coming here. You just simply open here. This is my Google application. So here the bottom of the screen 13 number is showing. 13 web pages is open here and I'm accessing continuously sometimes, but I won't delete all of them. You just simply press here the number and look at this here 13 tab and here 3 dots is showing. You just simply click here and boom, close all tab, open in once, and magic, all the tab is closed. It's just only one click. Hope you enjoy these tips and tricks. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.